Hi there, Jay here. Welcome to Everyday English with E2. Each week we focus on English grammar, vocab, or pronunciation. In this episode, we're going to focus on a very tricky sound that many people have trouble with because it's very particular to English. That sound is th, as in 30, something, or strength. Notice how this th sound can come at the beginning of the word, like 30, or in the middle of the word, like something, or at the end of the word, like strength. In this episode, we're going to practice saying the th sound at the end of the word. Remember, if you need extra practice on your pronunciation, you can do this by going to www.e2school.com. Let's get straight into it. So, first of all, how do we make the th sound in English? Well, to make this sound, you need to put your top teeth on the tip of your tongue. You need to do this. Poke your tongue out a little bit and rest your top teeth on the top of your tongue. Now that you've done that, there are actually two ways to make this sound. One without breath and one with a burst of breath. Let's practice the first way, which is without breath. Repeat after me. This, 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 that, that, that. I hope your top teeth, your two front teeth, are resting on the top of your tongue. These, these. Your tongue should be poking out just a little bit. It should be visible. Those. The. They. Your tongue also disappears as soon as you make the th sound. Them. There. When you say these words, there is very little or almost no breath coming out of your mouth. The sound happens inside your mouth. Put your hand in front of your mouth and let's do it again. And this time, pay attention to the fact that you cannot feel your breath against your hand. Repeat after me with your hand in front of your mouth. This, that, these, those, the, they, them, there. Now let's make the other type of th sound. This time you're going to rest your top teeth on your tongue again. That's right, poke out your tongue a little bit and put your two front teeth on your tongue. Now this time I want you to push breath out of your mouth like this. Ready? Let's say some words with the th sound. Repeat after me. Thing. Can you feel the breath? Think. Theory. Now, if you speak Italian, you need to be very careful because lots of Italians say fiery, but that's wrong. That's using your top lip on your teeth. You need to poke out your tongue and say theory. Or if you speak Farsi, you might be saying Siri, which sounds like an S sound. That's also wrong. It's theory. Thought. Three. 30, 30, 30. You might notice, because of the breath, your top teeth just don't touch your tongue because of the movement of the breath. 13, 13, 13. Thirsty, thirsty, thirsty. Through, through, through. Thank, thank, thank. Thistle, thistle, thistle. Thud, thud, thud. Thump, thump, thump. Thug, thug, thug. And finally, thesis, thesis, thesis. Now, it's important to make sure you're not saying the wrong sound. This sound is not a D sound. It's not ding, dink, deary, or dort. It's thing, think, theory, thought. As I mentioned, it's also not a F sound. It's not fing, fink, theory, or fought. It's thing, think, theory, thought. Those sounds are close to or similar to the th sounds, but they're wrong. They may be easier for you to make, but if you speak to a native English speaker, they will sound not quite right. And by changing the shape of your mouth and putting your top teeth on your tongue, you can say the sound accurately. Okay, so we've learned how to say the breathless th sound, and we've learned how to say th using a burst of breath. Now we're going to do something challenging. Are you ready? We're going to say the explosive th sound at the end of the word, not at the start, not at the beginning. Let's start with LTH. Right? Repeat after me. Health, health, health. Stealth, stealth, stealth. Wealth, wealth, wealth. It's tricky, isn't it? Feel free to pause and rewind and practice again and again until you get it right. Let's do it one more time. Health, stealth, wealth, health, stealth, wealth. All right, very good. Let's now do PTH. Puff. Repeat after me. Depth, depth, depth. Cool, there's only one of those sounds in English. Remember, if you need help with your pronunciation, then check out www.e2school.com. We have full pronunciation courses with AI feedback, so you can rapidly improve the clarity of your spoken English. Okay, ready for another one? This one's challenging. It's the fth sound. Repeat after me. Fifth, fifth, fifth. Make sure you're making the th sound right. Let's try another one. This time it's the NG TH sound. So the N sound comes from your throat, then it moves up to the th sound. Repeat after me. Strength, strength, strength. Length, length, length. Again, if you feel like you need more practice, just hit rewind and do it again and again. This next one is a little bit easier, I think. It's the MTH sound. Mph. Repeat after me. Warmth, warmth, warmth. Can you hear the th sound at the end there? Can you hear the little th sound, the breath being pushed out at the end? Now let's do the NTH sound. We use this one with numbers. Repeat after me. Seventh, seventh, ninth, ninth, 10th, 10th, 15th, 15th. And another very common word in English, month, month. Next up we have DTH. Repeat after me. Width, width, width. Breadth, breadth, breadth. Hundredth, hundredth, hundredth. One more time. Width, breadth, hundredth. Okay, let's do the th sound. There's only one word for this sound. It's eighth, eighth, eighth. Okay, and we'll finish with some really tricky sounds. These are sounds that even native English speakers struggle to say. They are rare, but let's practice them anyway. Sixth, sixth, sixth. 12th, 12th, 12th. Thousandth, thousandth, thousandth. All right, well done. Now you just have to have the confidence to really say those sounds in real life with real people, with native speakers. Saying those sounds properly is the difference between pronouncing the word correctly and mispronouncing the word. Awesome. Thanks for listening. Make sure you subscribe to this podcast, share it with your friends, and give it a rating. And remember to check out www.e2school.com for our online pronunciation courses powered by AI. Thank you very much for listening. My name is Jay. I'll see you next week.